I don't drop tutorial on how to make the hair oh, since everybody dey ask how I make am. A lot of people sabi do the hair but some no sabi. So for those wey never sabi, first of all, some people dey like weave am round sha but me I like to weave am all back like this. Den dis one I dey use kinky, I dey use all dis products dem wey I dey show for the camera. If you want slow tutorial, go my YouTube channel, you go see am for there. Everything dey detailed for there pass dis one. Dis one just dey like a run over of how I take do the hair. So the kinky I cut am into 4 parts because the kinky na the long type. Some dey use the rosemary type wey say the short. Dat one na if you dey use dat type you wan cut am into 2, but dis one wey I dey use na the expression type and e long well well, so I dey cut am into 4. Normally you fit cut am into 2 but I dey feel say if you cut am into 2 like dis so, the one wey you go trim throway e go plenty and wastage na sin normally. So like dis now I dey spoke am gradually gradually. So when I don finish I dey brush am out so dat e go full make everywhere rise. Den after dat one now I no show the part wey I dey clean the front. Suppose to clean the front make oil no dey so dat the thing go dey very sticky before you put the gum. Den you go use the spray am, den you go band am. As you band am so, no need to wait, just begin dey trim the hair dey go. And as you dey trim am, dey patient oh, no dey use ori dey trim am. Trim am step by step. If you be learner or you be newcomer to the game, take your time. Nobody dey do take your time trim am well so dat you no go cut the person and you no go come go over trim am short wey be say the weaving go come begin dey show. So na like dis e be. So you do the same thing for the back and so on so on so on. So dis is the final look. See how e fine, see how e look beautiful. Make una send me gift to appreciate dis knowledge wey I don share for una. And make una like dis video, share am with all una friends. Follow me. Love you guys. I go drop another tutorial soon. Bye.